Hello guys, thanks for tuning in. I actually didn't clickbait y'all this time. I'm going to need a new bumper because I damaged my current one. So let me just tell y'all the story. Basically, I was going to look at a job for my landscaping. It was off of a pretty main road, so like I couldn't just park on the road because cars are driving, I don't know, 40 miles an hour past, and you know that would not be very good. But long story short, backed in their driveway. It's too close to their car, I couldn't get out. Went to go pull up so I could get out. Hear a god-awful noise coming from the front right. I'm thinking, please tell me it was just a little bit of scrape on like a tree stump or something. And I got out and looked, and it wasn't just a tree scrape. It was much worse. So if you take a look right here, yep, I did that. So basically, what I ended up hitting was like the pipe that you would normally use to, I guess, snake the main drain of the house or whatever. If you've seen it, it looks like this. So that's what it looks like. I basically hit it, dragged it all the way down through here, peeled this whole entire piece off, and then backed up and ripped it off the rest of the way. So I've been looking at it, and it looks like the entire bumper itself is going to need to be replaced, paint matched, and whatever comes along with that. To let y'all know how we do it here, we're not going to look at the bad thing of, I got to pay money and all that to get it fixed. Okay, we're going to look on the up and up here, the bright side of things, and we're just going to take it as, hey, brand new bumper, brand new paint, and any little rock chips that I may have in here, like, let's see, there's one, or that's just a bug actually. But yeah, basically there's a lot of rock chips in it. I mean, it is 2013. So on the bright side, those you get taken out. Sucks having to pay money. But long story short, that's I guess part of owning a new vehicle. Also, just a little tidbit. When I originally bought the car, Richmond Ford, one of the things that kind of we agreed upon before I bought the car was, hey, there's a little rock chip in the windshield. I'll buy it if that gets fixed, and they, don't get me wrong, it's not that they didn't try or whatever, but basically they got their guy to come out here, and when he tried to fill it, he told me that basically the reason why he couldn't fill it was an old repair. So long story short, it's probably not going to show that well on camera, but he filled it in. It had like a little splinter off to here, so he filled all that in. But I mean, as you can see, it still has a bit of a rock chip. So that's also going to be a windshield replacement, more than likely. We'll get to that when we get to that. To be honest with y'all, the guy says it's not going to spread anymore. I don't have a whole lot of time to be, dealing with all this. So when I have the time, I'll get it done. Overall, that's kind of the update with the Lincoln. Somehow the Dodge has stayed. Well, we're not going to get into what happened to the Dodge. That was before the YouTube channel, and some things are better left unknown. That's all I have for today's video. I know this was a pretty short video, but overall, just wanted to give y'all an update. I try to keep it as transparent, and I just tell it like it is with my channel. I feel like that kind of helps with the loyalty of everybody and the views and whatnot. But when it gets done, of course, there will be yet another wonderful video about it, and we will keep you guys filled in. So enjoy the rest of your weekend or whatever day you're watching this. Have a good day, and I will see you next time.